All right, I said I was gonna record it, so I'm recording it. All I did was take the backing off of the tape so far, and then I put it right at my widow's peak because that's where I drop my wig. Okay, so it's done. That's what it looks like for me. I sit it right at the front of my widow's peak. You'll see I just have the one piece on. Now I'm gonna, usually you guys see me dip my head into the wigs. We're not gonna do that. Otherwise the tape will get funky. So I've got it already up. I'll fix it because it always adjusts a little bit. Okay, so I make sure that we're even on the head. And then you see I keep my fingers underneath the lace. This way it doesn't drag over the tape because what we want to do is meet it. Okay, hi. As I'm getting into the style, I have pulled this little section piece off. And what I'm doing with this is bringing it back and around the pony to give me a little hair wrap around the pony. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what it looks like wrapped, and then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna fix my little crazy pieces. All right guys, I added in, I just touched up these little curls, same pieces that are down, and that is what we look like.